Happy holidays.
Mm-mm.
More time. Happy holidays.
No.
She's supposed to sing along, but Savannah's not very good about singing along. Do, 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 do. Anyway, welcome back. We took a little hiatus.
2 whole days.
Here we are. We got our house clean, okay, guys? It was important.
It was very important, but we did it, and we're back, refreshed.
Better than ever.
I don't know about that. Today, we are going to be showing you how to turn a placemat into a pillow.
Into a pillow. Okay. This was Savannah's genius last year. We were at Target. I don't even know how you came up with it.
I don't know. I think we were looking at the placemats. There's always really cute placemats at Target. And we don't have a need for cute placemats. And also, side note, this is actually this is so cute, but for a placemat, you put the plate in the middle so you can't even see that.
But good point.
Yeah, basically, I don't know. I think I just thought it could be, I know what it was. I think that one of the placemats we found, I did want to turn into a pillow, which I did. It was this one. But this is not what we're doing, but this
is a little more advanced.
This is a placemat, and I want it to be a pillow. And then I just thought, oh my gosh, these are actually there's 2 sides of fabric, and they're sewn on every side. It's literally a pillowcase, but without anything in it. And I was just like, man, you could just seam rip this, stuff it, and sew it back up, and it takes literally 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So
basically, we just gave away the whole DIY to you. You could turn it up now.
That's it. The end. If you have a sewing machine, that would be better, but you can also do this by hand. What you're gonna do is take your placemat, and on the skinnier side, you're going to seam rip. Not all the way. I feel like you would do like from here to here.
Really not much.
Okay. Really, all you gotta do is have enough room for your fist to stick in there. So maybe from like here to here.
I guess you could start little and rip more.
This is a seam ripper, first of all.
You can get them for like $1. They're really cheap.
Yeah, this one looks broken. We have like a smaller one that's better that I can't find, but it's literally this little, there's a little pokey side, and you slide that under the thread, and you literally rip it. You're literally ripping the seam. You can also do it with really pointy small scissors. So here's our tiny scissors that are really pointy.
I got those at like Kroger one day, and they're my
the
favorite.
Best. They're my favorite. I mean, they're tiny, so you're not gonna want to cut like paper or something with it. I mean, you can.
It's more for like sewing.
Yeah.
So if you rip like this, oh boy, where I'm going in between the two,
like once you get a hole open,
you can kind of get in between there and do it like that. Which it's not necessarily easier, but you can usually rip up bigger sections.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can get my hand in there. Oh yeah.
Yeah. So she's already done with the first part. We're just going to slide the seam ripper under one of the seams. Make sure you don't get any of the fabric in there. And once you get it under, you just slide it through and it cuts it. And then you just repeat it down the way, down the whatever.
Down the seam, if you will.
Down the seam. Let's see. And once you get the little hole, oh wow, that's coming apart pretty easily. It's easier to, can you see that? Maybe don't do that to yourself.
It's not a fine science. Do whatever you want.
All right. Okay, now that you have a hole big enough for your hand to fit down in, you're going to stuff the placemat with pillow stuffing. But what we're doing is just tearing apart a pillow insert that we already have.
Yeah, if you have So pillow stuffing's actually, I mean, it's not expensive. It's way cheaper than buying. Throw pillows are outrageous. They're like one of the most overpriced things on the interior market, I think.
Yeah, for sure.
And
yeah, because these placemats are like $5, and if you went to buy a cute like Christmas pillowcase, it would be at just the case would at least be $20.
Yeah, and then this form would be like another $20 at least. Pillow forms are outrageous. What we do is go to Goodwill and they'll have throw pillows for like a couple of bucks, and obviously you wouldn't wash them, and we'll either like take off the pillow cover, or just keep the pillow cover on and put another
use it as
stuffing. I mean, basically that's the cheapest thing you can do, because even the filling for this stuff is, to me, it's a little outrageous.
Yeah. Definitely do some recycling. But also you can find these like full pillows on sale at Joann or Michael's or Hobby Lobby on sale. I mean,
when they're on sale.
They're on sale, I mean, this is a very cheap project. Okay. Side note, make sure that you shove this stuff into the corners, because you don't want to have floppy corners. That's weird.
That is weird. I just had to rip that hole open a little bit so I could shove my arm down in there better.
Yeah, I had to make mine a little wider too.
Oh. Come on, Hazel.
Yeah, she was all over me.
Come here.
Under here.
Hazel?
Oh my god. So
we really have 2 other dogs, but
Hazel she can't be left out.
She's small, so it's easier to
she's trying to get me to pet her right now.
Yeah.
Okay, but I need to finish this.
We're busy, Hazel. Obs, this is not just a Christmas DIY.
Right.
I mean,
we just happen to do it at Christmas every year.
Yeah.
Hazel, you're so hard up.
The Target has, they have like this Opal House always has really cute stuff, placemats, and Target just always has cute placemats.
But like, who needs placemats every 5 seconds?
Right.
You know? We don't use them at all.
Yeah, our table isn't really shaped right for that. I just think I prefer a table runner myself.
Yeah, and cute plates, cute napkins.
Yeah.
So, if you have a sewing machine, you can stuff this stuff down in here and then sew that up.
I don't think Savannah and I are in agreement on this. I personally think it would be easier to hand sew it.
Yeah.
Just stuffing that under the sewing machine sounds like a nightmare.
I know, I did it though, and it was fine.
She did it. As close as
if you already have thread, just use what you have.
You probably won't see it, to be honest.
You really won't. Yours will be fine. And I actually do have I have like a cream color for my pillow, so.
This might have you cussed it for a little bit, but it's okay.
Well, so I thought you were gonna give instructions on how to do this. You're just like doing it.
Well, that's what you do.
Okay, so after you've threaded your needle and you have, oh Lord, your needle is in the middle and there's 2 sides hanging down, we're gonna tie a knot at the bottom. Apparently Casey knows a fancy way to do it that I don't even know existed.
It's not that serious, guys.
It's not. It's really not. I think I just hate sewing by hand, like a lot.
Yeah, as I do it, obviously you couldn't do this in 5 minutes.
Right, because
you did it on a sewing machine.
Yeah, the sewing machine. Zoop, you're done.
Zoop, you're done.
Zoop. And then you're just going to weave your needle in and out, in and out, in and out. I mean, you can try, what you probably should do is try to make the in and out stitches that you're doing as small as the ones that are already on the pillow.
Mm-hmm. I am already failing at that.
Yeah, I mean.
It's not going, in, out.
Oh, no.
In, pull.
I was actually doing it like this. Hold on. But I
see. Oh, I see. faster. But what I did is a lot faster.
Mm.
Huh.
So you tie a knot like you did at the beginning at the end?
No, you could.
But I could just take these two and go.
Yeah.
Okay. Kind of a knot on itself. So we're cut the needle off. And then we're gonna tie some knots. I'm gonna tie a good amount of knots.
Looky there, guys. $1 million pillow for like 6 or 7. No. Count all the materials.
Mm-hmm.
I could have put a little more stuff right here, but it's good.
Okay. Tie your knots, cut your thread, clean it off. How cute!
Yay!
So cute. So cute. So cute.
Insert styled picture here.
Oops. Anyway, that was easy. You should do it, and also you can do it for not just
For
Christmas. Yeah, do it for anything. We said that last year and then we didn't. So we might try to do this in the summer or spring if we can find some cute pillowcases or placemats. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Come back tomorrow and we will have a video for you, and I'm not lying to you. I'm telling you the truth.
The truth.
Goodbye.